Hey and welcome to the Git tutorial. In this program we will learn how to rename or delete a file using Git. So first of all, let's create another file. Let's in this time name it example.txt. Now it will be created. Here we can see it. Let's move it to the staged area with the command git add example. We can use this example or we can use just git add then dot. Now he's in the staging area. Now we need to commit. So git commit -m add example. Hit enter. Now if we see the git status, it tells us that everything is okay. Now how about if we are in this time and we want to rename this example for example. Yeah, let's rename this example for example. We have two ways. The first way, which for maybe you would do or you would tell me to do, it's to rename it manually or with command line move and then rename it. But if we do this, the file will be going back to the working area, and now we do the commit. We are in the local repository, so we are behind the working area and staging area, and we are in the local repository. But if we want to rename it with Git, it will be renamed, but without going back to the working area. We will always be in the staging area and it will be renamed. So this is the command git mv and then the name of the file and the new name. For example, let's name it demo.txt. Let's hit enter. And as we see here, it changed their name from example to demo. Now if we use the git status, now it tells us that it's still in the staging area, but it changed the name from example.txt to demo.txt. Why we know that it is in the staging area? Because this line is in green. That means that it is in staging area. If it is in red that means it is going back to the first area, which is the working area. Now as we are in the staging area, let's commit. So git commit -m which is rename or renaming. We hit enter and everything is done. Now how about if we want to delete this file? Yeah, this demo file, we want to delete it, but without going back to the working area. We will delete it and stay in the staging area. To do that, we will use the command git rm and then the name of the file. In this case it's demo.txt. We hit enter and we see here that the demo it's deleted. And if we want to check on the status, hit enter and he tells us that deleted demo.txt was deleted, and we are always in the staging area. Now let's commit again, git commit .m, let's say delete and deleting. Hit enter. Everything is going well. Now let's check again with git status. Yeah, it tells us that everything work clean and work right. So this is all for the video. See you in the next video.